Hello everyone, I am very happy to have an opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Megha Patidar and I am the student of PhD first year from East Coast. Today I am going to presentation on the topic of protein database. Before beginning, I would like to thank you Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir for giving me this opportunity, who gave us this platform for improving ourselves. Before introduce the protein database, we should know that what is protein and their role. Protein is high complex substance that is present in all living organism. Protein are great nutritional value and direct involved in chemical process essential for life. And classification of protein based on their folds and twisting, like primary level, secondary level, tertiary level, and quaternary level. Quaternary protein structure is a protein consisting of more than one folded amino acid chain. And the role of protein, like protein perform a vast array of function within organism, including catalyzing metabolic reaction, DNA replication, responding to stimuli, providing structure to cells and organism, and transporting molecule from one location to another, and allow metabolic reaction to take place and coordinate bodily function. And what is database? A biological database is a large organized body of persistent data usually associated with computerized software designed to update, query, and retrieve components of the data stored within the system. A few popular databases are GenBank from National Center for Biotechnology Information, which is situated in USA, Swissport from Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics, and PIR from the Protein Information Resources. Protein database used for these databases recognize and annotate the data or provide predictions. The use of multiple databases often helps researchers understand the structure and function of a protein. Protein database. What is protein database? A protein database is a collection of data that has been constructed from physical, chemical, biological information on sequence, domain structure, function, three-dimensional structure, and protein-protein interaction. And the collection of protein sequence in a protein database from several sources, including translation from annotated coding region in GenBank, reference sequence, and the third-party annotation sequence, as well as records from Swissport, Protein Information Resources, and Protein Research Foundation, as well as Protein Data Bank. Protein sequences are the fundamental determinant of biological structure and functions. Protein sequence database. The most comprehensive source of information on protein is found in protein sequence database. These are two types: universal database and specialized database. Universal database whose aim to collect biological information on the most varied amount of species, and specialized database that cater for specific group of family of protein or specific organism. And this picture show that how to identify and characterization of protein through mass code search engine. First take peptide mixture from protein, then prepare protein map. After that through the mass code search engine that use mass spectrometric data to identify protein from peptide sequence database. Mascot is a software search engine that uses mass spectrometry data to identify protein from peptide sequence database, and used by research facility around the world. Mascot uses the probabilistic scoring algorithm for protein identification, and that use. Importance of protein database. Protein database are helpful to comparison between protein or between protein families, provide information about the relationship between protein within a genome or across different species, and hence offer much more information that can be obtained by studying only an isolated protein. And these databases recognize and annotate the data or provide prediction, and the use of multiple databases often help researchers understand the structure and function of a protein. Protein database classified into two groups: sequence database or structure database. Protein sequence database was developed at National Biomedical Research Foundation by Margaret Dayoff in 1960, and the sequence database is the large collection of computerized nucleic acid sequence, protein sequence, and other polymer sequence stored on a computer. The protein sequence database was collaboratively maintained by Protein Information Research, which is situated at USA, Japan International Protein Information Database, which is Tokyo, and the Maastricht Institute for Protein Sequence at Max Planck Institute for Biochemistry in Germany. And the first protein sequence database is Protein Information Research. Is widely redistributed. It is integrated into other public datasets, including those assembled by NCBI. The leading universal curated protein sequence database is SwissProt. UniProt knowledge base and SwissProt contain approx 5 lakh sequence entries since June 2021, comprising number of amino acid abstract from 279,685 references, and these data taken from the XPC website. And the XPC is the Export Protein Analysis System. This website operated by Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics. Protein Structure Database. Protein structure database that is modeled around the various experimental determined protein structure. The aim of most protein structure database is to organize and annotate the protein sequence, providing the biological community access to the experimental data in useful way. In structural database, store a collection of tertiary structure of protein, and the tertiary structure of protein, the level of protein structure at which an entire polypeptide chain has folded into three-dimensional structure. The last established database for protein structure is Protein Data Bank. UniProt. Universal Protein Resources is a comprehensive resources for protein sequence and annotation data. The UniProt database are the UniProt knowledge base, the UniProt reference cluster, and UniProt archive. UniProt is a collaboration between the European Bioinformatics Institute, the Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics, and the Protein Information Resources. European Bioinformatics Institute and the Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics together used to produce SwissProt and translation of EMBL, while the Protein Information Resources produce the protein sequence database. UniProt has three components: protein knowledge base including SwissProt and translation of EMBL, UniReference, and UniArchive. Type of protein database. Databases are often categorized as primary and secondary database. First, primary database. Primary database hold the experimentally determined protein sequence inferred from the conceptual translation of nucleotide sequence, and the primary database store and make data available to the public, acting as repositories. Primary databases are populated with experimentally derived data such as nucleotide sequence, protein sequence, and macromolecule structure. Primary protein sequence database for protein sequence and genome sequence, like SwissProt and Protein Information Resources for protein sequence, and GenBank and DNA Data Bank of Japan for genome sequence. Source of data. Submission of experimentally derived data from researcher, and the data are essentially archival in nature. Once given a database accession number, the data in primary database are never changed. They form part of scientific record. First, primary protein sequence database is a Protein Information Resources and Protein Sequence Database. It was established by the NBRF in 1984 as a resource to assist in the identification and interpretation of protein sequence information, and the unique characteristic of this is its classification of protein sequence based on the superfamily concept, and the sequence in PIR-PSD is also classified based on the homology domain and the sequence motifs, like a nucleotide or amino acid sequence pattern. The mission of Protein Information Resources International remains to create and maintain the protein sequence database as a comprehensive, well-verified collection organized according to biological principles, including structure, function, and evolutionary relationship, and to distribute the database by the most accessible means, including the internet, CD, and tap media. To provide a research tool that support the study of protein sequence, their structure and functional property, and their biological origin. To collaborate with other databases in organizing and coordinating the presentation of biomolecular structure information. In this diagram, Protein Information Resources, Integrated Protein Information Resources for genomic and proteomic researches assess this website, and after that UniProt provides scientific community with the single centralized authoritative resources for protein sequence and functional information, and the protein classification and functional annotation. After then, protein mapping, and the final protein ontology represent of protein objective with the description and relationship. SwissProt is a curated protein sequence database which strives to provide a high level of annotation like description of the function of a protein, domain structure, post-translational modification, variant, etc. and the minimal level of redundancy and high level of integration with other database. And the feature of SwissProt is annotation, minimum redundancy and integration with other database. How to assess SwissProt database? First, assess the UniProt homepage, and other than the UniProt homepage, number of the site, then can assess the SwissProt and translation of EMBL and retrieve the database. Main site are the XPC Molecular Biology website and the European Institute of Bioinformatics website. XPC is the one of the main entry point of UniProt knowledge base tool. In XPC can be used to handle several aspects of protein analysis, including blast search, proteomics and sequence analysis, and to consider all splicing variant annotated in UniProt knowledge base. A visual representation of amino acid characteristic table developed by XPC enable user to see the sequence characteristics at a glance. Functions. The annotation contain information on the functional function of the protein, post-translation modifications such as phosphorylation, acetylation, etc., functional structure, domain, and site. And the translated EMBL is a computer annotated protein sequence database that is released as a supplement to SwissProt. It contains the translation of all coding sequence present in EMBL nucleotide database. Thus, it may contain the sequence of protein that are never expressed and never actually identified in the organism. The Protein Data Bank. The Protein Data Bank is a database for the three-dimensional structure data of large biological molecules such as protein and nucleic acid. And the PDB is a key in area of structural biological such as structural genomics. The database holds data derived from mainly three sources: X-ray crystallography, NMR experiment and molecular modeling. In this picture, this how to assess PDB file. There are the three way where we assess the file SwissProt, NCBI and EMBL, where we get protein data bank. After then, database that interpret PDB file, these CATH like class, architect, topology, homologous, scope, structural classification of protein, DALI, distance alignment, FSSP, fold classification based on structure alignment of protein. These are the structure comparison and provide a greater understanding of structure and function of protein. Secondary database of protein. Secondary database are so termed because they contain the result of analysis of sequence held in primary database. Secondary database have become the molecular biologist reference library over the past decade or so, providing a wealth of information on just about any gene or gene product that has been investigated by the research community, and the potential for mining this information to make new discoveries in vast. Some secondary database like ProCite, Block, Print, PFARM and Profile, and different secondary database has a different source and different information stories. Like SwissProt is the source of different ProCite, PFARM and Profile database, and the information storage like ProCite information storage in regular expression, Print information storage in aligned motifs, and Profile information storage in form of weighted matrix like Profile. PFARM protein family. Protein family contain the profile used using hidden Markov model. Protein family. Each family is represented by multiple sequence alignments and hidden Markov model. The protein family consists of 4 elements. First element is annotation, the second is seed alignment that is used to bootstrap the rest of sequence, and the third is hidden Markov model profile, and the fourth element is the complete alignment of all the sequence identified in the family. ProCite. It consists of entries describing the protein families, domains, and function site. And the protein motif and pattern are encoded as regular expressions. The information corresponding to each entry in ProSite in of two form, the pattern and the related descriptive text. ProSite database of protein family and domain. In this slide, I will explain that how to assess of protein. First, protein scan search in Google, then after open the protein scan page in XPC server. Protein scan is the tool of XPC server and data maintained by Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics. Just three steps of assessing the ProSite. That first it submit protein sequence and the provide the accession number which may be retrieved accessing this link. After then select option, that option like exclude profile from scan and exclude motif with highly probability of occurrence. Then final third step is the output of option. And the tools for ProSite like scan ProSite, profile scan and other. And services like download profile ProSite file. The complete set of instance of motif concept may be retrieved using this link. Here we can see that how to unlisting of protein family in ProSite entries. There are various formats where we assess the protein family and ProSite entries like protein 1, 2 and matrix. Matrix displays summary of all the protein family in ProSite domain that given list of protein sharing addition of these. And listing of the data here like serial number, name, organism, Swiss translate of EMBL, gene bank and extended protein family information. In this unlisting of data here a Gramineae family explaining of protein. Different proteins are from Gramineae family and different cultivar are from Gramineae family. For example, like cytochrome B6 is the protein of sorghum bicolor and the A1ESV4 is the Swiss translate EMBL protein entry page and the gene bank protein entry page is 1182011155 and the A1E9V4 is the protein family annotation or column not available for ProSite. Print database. Print database is the collection of fingerprint. The information contained in the print entry may be divided into three sections. The first section contains cross-link to other databases that have more information about the characterized family. And the second section provides a table showing how many of motifs that make up of fingerprint occur in the how many of the sequence in that family. And the last section of entry contains the actual fingerprint that are stored as multiple aligned set of sequence. The alignment is made without gap. Therefore, one set of aligned sequence for each motif. MHC-PAP Measure Histocompatibility Complex Binding Peptides. MHC-PAP is a curated database comprising over 4,000 peptide sequences known to bind MHC molecule. Entries are compiled from published report as well as from direct submission of experimental data. Each entry contains the source protein and estimate the binding affinity and critical anchor residues and is fully referenced. The database can be accessed via internet using Gopher. Each entry in the database contains not only the peptide sequence which may be 8 to 10 amino acid long but in addition has information on the specific MHC molecule to which it binds, the experimental method used to assay the peptide, and the source of protein that when broken down gave rise to this peptide along with other the position along the peptide where it anchor on the MHC molecule and reference and cross link to other information. And the application of protein database, the major application of database that they can be shareable worldwide, contain information about the genome and protein of every species. The primary database provide natural form of data so work as initial or beginning point in any research. They also contain information of mutations and evolutionary relationship. Thank you everyone, and once again thanking you to my advisor and the course instructor to Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir for giving me this opportunity.